Centrohelid. The centrohelids or centroheliozoa are a large group of heliozoan protists. They include both mobile and sessile forms, found in freshwater and marine environments, especially at some depth. Characteristics. Individuals are unicellular and spherical, usually around 30–80 mm in diameter, and covered with long radial axopods, narrow cellular projections that capture food and allow mobile forms to move about. A few genera have no cell covering, but most have a gelatinous coat holding scales and spines produced in special deposition vesicles. These may be organic or siliceous and come in various shapes and sizes. For instance, in Rhaphidiophrys the coat extends along the bases of the axopods, covering them with curved spicules that give them a pine tree-ish look, and in Rhaphidiocystes there are both short cup-shaped spicules and long tubular spicules that are only a little shorter than the axopods. Some other common genera include Heterophrys, Actinocystes, and Oxnerella. The axopods of centrohelids are supported by microtubules in a triangular hexagonal array, which arise from a tripartite granule called the centroplast at the center of the cell. Axopods with a similar array occur in Gymnospherids, which have traditionally been considered centrohelids, though sometimes in a separate order from the others. This was questioned when it was found they have mitochondria with tubular cristae, as do other heliozoa, while in centrohelids the cristae are flat. Although this is no longer considered a very reliable character, on balance Gymnospherids seem to be a separate group. Classification. The evolutionary position of the centrohelids is not clear. Structural comparisons with other groups are difficult, in part because no flagella occur among centrohelids and genetic studies have been more or less inconclusive. Cavalier-Smith has suggested they may be related to the Rhizaria, but for the most part they are left with uncertain relations to other groups. A 2009 paper suggests that they may be related to the cryptophytes and haptophytes. See Cryptomonads haptophytes assemblage. They are currently classified as Hacrobia under the plants plus HC clade, although some research studies have found evidence against the monophyly of this group. Centrohelids are currently divided into two orders with contrasting scale morphology and ultrastructure, Pterocystida and Acanthocystida. Class Centrohelia Kuhn 1926 Stat. N. Cavalier-Smith 1993 Genus Spiculophrys Zlatogorsky 2015. Order Pterocystida Cavalier-Smith 2011. Family Chonocystidae Cavalier-Smith and von der Heyden 2007. Genus Chonocystes Penard 1904 Non-Cognetti 1918. Family Oxnerellidae Cavalier-Smith and Ko 2012. Genus Oxnerella Doble 1917. Family Heterophridae Poch 1913. Genus Heterophrys Archer 1869. Genus Parasphaerastrum Mikajukov 1996. Genus Sphaerastrum Grief 1873. Family Pterocystidae Cavalier-Smith and von der Heyden 2007. Genus Chlamydaster Rayner 1968. Genus Pterocystes Siemensma and Royjackers 1988 Non-Lohmann 1904. Genus Rainieriophrys Mikajukov 2001 Rainieriophrys Sick. Rainieria Mikajukov 1999 Non-Oswald 1928 Non-Denotaurus 1838. Echinocystes Mikajukov 1997 Non-Hekel 1896 Non-Batia, and Chatterjee 1925 Non-Tory, and Gray 1840 Non-Gregory 1897. Order Acanthocystida Cavalier-Smith 2011. Suborder Marifrida Cavalier-Smith 2011. Family Marifridae Cavalier-Smith and von der Heyden 2007. Genus Marophrys. Suborder Chalorotholracina Hertwig and Lesser 1874 Stat N. Cavalier-Smith 2011. Family Rhaphidiophridi, Mikajukov 1996 Amend. Cavalier, Smith and von der Hayden 2007. Genus Heterorhaphidiophrys Mikajukov and Patterson 2000. Genus Polyplacocystes Mikajukov 1996. Genus Pseudorhaphidiophrys Mikajukov 1997. Genus Rhaphidiophrys Archer 1867. Rhaphidiophrys Sick Grief 1869. Family Acanthocystidae Klaus 1874 Mend. Cavalier, Smith and von der Hayden 2007. Genus Rhaphidiocystes Pennard 1904. Rhaphidiocystes Sick Doffline 1928. Rhaphidiocystes Sick. Genus Pseudorhaphidiocystes Mikajukov 1997. Pseudorhaphidiocystes Sick. Genus Acanthocystes Carter 1863. Non-Kuhner 1926. Non-Bather 1889. Non-Hekel 1896. Nomen Nudum.